Objective Physical Geology, multiple choice questions with answers. These are the collection from various previous years question papers and hope these are useful for various competitive exams like CSR, NET, GATE, GSI, civil services exams and other exams. Welcome to set 8. First question. Geosynclines are the sites of, this was the question asked in ONGC 1987. Choices are A. Future seismic belts, B. Future oceans and seas, C. Future complex mountains, and D. Future stable areas. So obviously geosynclines are the sites of the future complex mountains. Next question. Roseferrel scale is used to determine A. The velocity of earthquake, B. The salinity of seawater, C. The intensity of earthquake, and D. None of the above. So Roseferrel scale is used to measure the intensity, whereas the Richter scale is used to measure the magnitude of earthquakes. Next question. The part of the crust beneath the continents that is composed of silica and magnesium is known as A. Shale, B. Sima, C. Lithosphere, D. Barysphere. So these are very straight questions and very useful also. So the correct answer is B. Sima. This is the part of the crust beneath the continents and it consists of Shale and Sima. That is silica and magnesium, whereas if it consists of silica and aluminum, it is known as a Shale. Next question. The dust cloud hypothesis explain A. The origin of the Earth, B. The origin of the solar system, C. The origin of the planets, and D. None of the above. So this the dust cloud hypothesis, it explains the origin of the solar system. Next question. A plastic asthenosphere exists under a rigid lithosphere and above a rigid mantle because A. The rigidity of the lithosphere is constant, B. The rigidity of the mantle is not constant, and C. The temperature above the asthenosphere is more and the pressure below is less, and D. The minerals at the asthenosphere are at their melting points. The correct answer is D. The minerals at the asthenosphere are at their melting points, and this asthenosphere is also known as a low velocity zone, LVZ. Next question. The continents are able to move at the top of the asthenosphere due to A. Convection currents generated within the asthenosphere itself, B. The push associated with the oceanic ridges, C. Various mechanisms causing plate motions, and D. None of the above. So the continents are able to move at the top of the low velocity zone asthenosphere. It is due to various mechanisms causing plate motion. Not only single mechanism, there are various other motions which are causing the plate motions are responsible for that. Next question. Which of the following is the volcanic lava of acidic composition? Very simple question. A. Andesite, B. Trachyte, C. Rhyolite, and D. Basalt. So generally rhyolite is the volcanic lava of acidic composition, whereas if you take basalt, it is of basic composition, and andesite is of intermediate composition. Next question. A gently sloping feature found at the base of the continental slope is known as A. Continental rise, B. Continental shelf, C. Submarine canyon, and D. Continental margin. So the correct answer is A. Continental rise. It is a gently sloping feature. It is found at the base of the continental slope. Next question. What are dripstones? Dripstones are A. Stalactites in the limestone caves, B. Stalagmites in the limestone caves, and C. Huge solid columns found in limestone caves, and D. None of the above. So dripstones are generally, these are the very big blocks like huge solid columns which are found in the limestone caves. Next question. The parent element for the stable strontium 87 is, so it's also very simple. A. 238, B. 235, that is uranium 235, and C. rubidium 119, and D. rubidium 87. So the parent element for stable strontium 87 is rubidium 87. Next question. The deepest parts of an oceanic surface is A. Oceanic ridge. So what is the deepest part on the oceanic surface? A. Oceanic ridge, B. Oceanic trench, C. Continental slope, and D. Continental rise. So correct answer is the trench is the deepest part on the oceanic surface. Next question. The point of origin of earthquakes is known as A. Epicenter, B. Focus, C. Center, D. Seismic vertical. So the point of origin of earthquakes is known as a focus, and the point immediately above the focus is known as epicenter. Next question. The seismicity in the earth is concentrated in which part of the earth? A. Outer core, B. Inner core, C. Mantle, D. The crust and the upper mantle. So the answer is the crust and upper mantle. So these are the constitutes a plate. What is a plate? A plate is the part of the crust and upper mantle, and seismicity in the earth is concentrated in this part. Next question. The average depth of Moho below the oceans is. So what is the depth of Moho below the oceans? A 8 kilometers, B 9 kilometers, C 11 kilometers, and D 16 kilometers. So correct answer is C 11 kilometers is the average depth of Moho below the oceans. Next question. Choose the correct statement from the following. A. Gondwana land has a greater area than the Laurasia. B. Laurasia had a greater area than Gondwana land. And C. Both Gondwana land and Laurasia had equal areas. And D. None of this. So correct answer is Gondwana land has a greater area than the Laurasia. Next question. The most recent theory explaining plate tectonics is A. Magnetic theory, B. Triple point theory, C. Slab pull theory, D. The expanding earth hypothesis. So correct answer is C. Slab pull theory. It is the most recent theory explaining plate tectonics. Next question. When two continental plates collide, they form A. Oceanic volcanoes, B. Island arcs, and C. Great mountain chains, and D. Both oceanic volcanoes and island arcs. So correct answer is when two continental plates collide, they form great mountain chains like Himalayas, Aravalis, etc. Next question. Main boundary fault is A. Normal fault of length 150 kilometers, B. Normal fault of length 250 kilometers, and C. A series of normal faults which are aligned along the entire length of the Himalayas, and D. A series of reverse faults aligned along the entire length of the Himalayas. So the correct answer is C. That is a series of normal faults which are aligned along the entire length of the Himalayas is known as a main boundary fault. Next question. The triple junction nearest to India is located in the A. Bay of Bengal, B. Indian Ocean, C. Arabian Sea, and D. Rann of Kutch. So the triple junction nearest to India is located in the Indian Ocean. Next question. The coastline of India is about A. 3,100 kilometers, B. 4,106 kilometer, and C. 5,100 kilometer, and D. 6,100 kilometer. So the correct answer is 6,100 kilometers. It's a very simple and straight question. Hope you have enjoyed the questions. Hope you can subscribe. Thank you for your time.